Hey everyone, and welcome back to the Finance Zone. Today, we're going to be talking about how to make money affiliate marketing with no money and no website. Make sure you stay as you don't want to miss out on this valuable information. Also, remember to subscribe and click on the notification bell. 1. Post on forums and online communities. The internet is excellent at bringing like-minded people together in online communities and forums. These places offer a great opportunity to promote your affiliate products. The first step is to find a forum with an audience that will be interested in the products you're promoting. For example, Mountain Project is a website that brings together people that are interested in rock climbing. After you found a website with a solid online community, check the forum guidelines to make sure they allow affiliate links. Sign up and start contributing to the online conversation. Another way to get your affiliate offers in front of an online community of engaged people is to create your own Facebook group and foster discussion around your niche. Not only will you have more control over the posting guidelines, but it can also be a profitable way to promote your affiliate offers with weekly promotions. 2. Viral ebook. This affiliate marketing strategy is quite simple. You can create an ebook on a hot topic that people are interested in and embed your affiliate links into the content. When someone clicks your affiliate link and purchases a product, you earn a commission. Sounds easy in theory, but you'll need to conduct comprehensive research to find a topic people want to read about and invest a lot of time to create a quality ebook. You can use Google Trends to help you find a hot topic that people are interested in. Look at what's trending and receive significant search volume. If you promote products in the fashion niche, you could create an ebook on the e-girl style and link to affiliate products that come under that fashion style. 3. YouTube channel. YouTube is the second largest search engine in the world. It's a great place to earn affiliate commissions without a website. Whenever you see a YouTuber reviewing products or asking you to click on the link in the description, that's affiliate marketing in action. To succeed as an affiliate marketer on YouTube, you'll need to produce excellent content, learn how to leverage keywords to increase the reach of your videos, and build an audience of loyal subscribers. Without a website, the most profitable way to promote your affiliate offers on YouTube is to drive traffic directly to an affiliate programs that provide a free giveaway or a low-priced product, as that's less likely to turn into complaints from people watching your videos. You can also earn advertising revenue by signing up for the YouTube Partner Program and placing ads on your video. The major drawback of this form of affiliate marketing is that you're at the mercy of YouTube's moderators. If your channel is flagged for any reason, you can lose your whole channel and all of your affiliate income in one fell swoop. Luckily, this happens very rarely, especially when you focus on producing quality content. Number 4. Write ads or reviews for classifieds websites. This form of affiliate promotion is very similar to the forum and online community method. Rather than posting in online forums, you post your affiliate links on classified ads websites. Craigslist is the largest website of this kind, with millions of people posting ads on city pages across the world. You can promote your affiliate links by posting ads, product reviews, and other helpful posts to your relevant categories of classified ads. You can earn an affiliate income using this technique, but you will need to be committed to posting multiple times per day across numerous websites. Aside from being time-intensive, you're also vulnerable to the changes in policy from the classified site. If they decide to ban the posting of affiliate links, you'll be unable to promote your products. Number 5. Social media. Social media can be an excellent channel for affiliate promotion. Instagram has seen massive growth over the last few years, while new video-based platforms like TikTok are only going to get more popular with the rollout of 5G and increased internet speeds across the world. If you want to succeed as an affiliate marketer without a website, Instagram is a great platform to promote your affiliate offers. Some Instagram marketers make the top 5 of leaderboards, boast over 1 million followers, and see high engagement when they promote their affiliate offers. Instagram doesn't allow you to link directly in your posts, so you'll need to direct users to your bio. You can create posts promoting your offer and instruct users to check out the link in bio. You'll need to grow your following and focus on creating posts that gets lots of feedback, likes, and shares. To grow your affiliate business, you'll need to monitor the engagement of your posts and focus on providing content that makes the most impact on your audience. After you've built up a substantial following, you can start promoting your affiliate products. A step-by-step guide to start making money with affiliate marketing without a website. Now you know your options when it comes to affiliate marketing without a website. Let's go through the process of making your first affiliate commission using a free content publishing platform. Step 1. Choose a niche. While it's possible to target multiple niches at the same time, you'll find it much easier to build a reputation as a trusted source of information if you narrow your focus to a single niche. The more you know about your niche, the more informative and valuable you can make your content, and the more likely people are to trust your product recommendations. So how do you know if a niche is profitable? Ask yourself the following questions. And how competitive is the niche? The best way to determine if a niche is competitive is to do a Google search for long-tail keywords related to the topic. If there are lots of notable brands competing for long-tail keywords, you'll struggle to get a foothold in search rankings and generate enough traffic. If there are lots of smaller affiliate websites competing for long-tail keywords, that's a good sign that a niche is profitable. Are there lots of products in this niche? Making money is the name of the game, and you do that by promoting affiliate products. You want to choose a niche where people need to purchase products or equipment. If you're going to promote Amazon products, conduct a search for products in your niche. How much can you make promoting products in the niche? You'll need to check out the commission that Amazon Associates offers for products in the niche. Amazon offers different levels of commission for different categories of products. You want to spend hours of your time creating great content for a niche with low-value products and low rates of commission. You'll need to generate hundreds of sales to get anywhere near a decent payout. Step 2. Keyword research. After choosing a good niche, you need to identify the keywords you're going to target in your content. If you're promoting physical products from Amazon, you want to focus on buyer intent keywords, the phrases people are searching to help them make purchase decisions. To maximize your impact on the SERP, you want to focus on long-tail keywords. These are search queries that contain multiple words. While long-tail keywords will attract less traffic than shorter, high-value keywords, they have a lot less competition and are easier to rank for in search results. You can use Google to help you find long-tail keywords to target in your content. You can also find low-competition, long-tail keywords in your niche using the free tool Ubersuggest. Enter your seed keyword into Ubersuggest, and it will return with lots of helpful information to your keyword strategy. You can see the estimated search volume per month, the difficulty of appearing in the paid ad placements, and the difficulty of ranking organically for the search term. Step 3. Sign up to a free publishing platform. If you're new to online publishing, you want to choose a platform that's easy to use and create content, and with an intuitive dashboard to keep track of your page views. Medium is an excellent platform to publish your first article. It works similarly to a social media website. You create an account and follow the instructions to start writing your first article. Step 4. Write your content. This step is vital. You need high-quality content if you're going to rank high in search results and generate conversations for your merchant. Focus on quality over quantity, and follow the best practices for online content writing to engage your readers. The more people that engage with your content, the higher you will rank in search engine results, and the more exposure you will generate for your affiliate links. This is where your keyword research will pay off. Incorporate your keywords naturally into the content and aim to provide the best content online for the keywords you are targeting. Step 5. Social media promotion. You can increase the reach of your content by promoting it on social media. Share your article in relevant social media groups and online forums. This will help you rank higher in search results, but it can also help you generate more commissions too. How long will it take to rank in Google? There are a lot of different factors that contribute to your ranking and how long it will take to start ranking high in search results. If you published on a high authority website like Medium, you could expect to wait around 6 months for your content to rank on Google. If you conducted solid keyword research, created high-quality content, and promoted your content on social media, you can expect to achieve a high ranking in search results and start earning affiliate commission. Once you've completed your first article, rinse and repeat the process to target new keywords and promote new products. While it's always recommended to create your own affiliate marketing website, it's possible to earn an affiliate income without one. As you get more comfortable creating content for the web, you can put your new skills to use and create your own affiliate website when you're ready. Thanks for watching. While you're here, go ahead and click one of these 2 videos on your screen, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. See you there, and thanks for watching.